Hey, didn't you? Hey, I'm on my vlog, and this is around the house. Well, this has always been a headache for me because it gets so wet and muddy, and the wife's legs are not what they used to be. So the ramp is here, so she can get right in and get park in here and be able to walk up the ramp instead of parking down there and walking up all those stairs. So my next project is to get this gravelled and get it somewhat looking neat. You know, it's muddy and it just gets really really bad out here. So this is going to be my next project, is getting this nice and gravelled and looking nice. So starting that little project, and I got to replace some of the rails as well. That'll be another around the house project. Went to Lowe's and they got 9 bags. 9 bags for, or 3 bags for $9 of the white rock, and $5 a bag for the gravel, which is what I've been putting in the driveway. So I'm going to start putting some gravel down, and then I'll put those bigger rocks on top of it. All right, I have 4 bags of white rock down. 1, 2, 4. Okay, actually I got five bags of white rock down and 4 bags of gravel down. So, and I got some sand to fill in some other holes here at this point. Right now I've got 6 bags, 50-pound bags of white marble down, and that's 3 bags of just regular gravel. Well, Lowe's is having a sale on the white rocks at $3 a bag. So I decided we better go ahead and make the plunge and get a good amount. So I went ahead and purchased 30 more bags of the white rocks. They don't look cool, but you know, they're gonna probably get muddy when it rains, but then the rain will also wash them off. So I've got kind of a combination of gravel here and white rock. Because what I was gonna do, I was just gonna go ahead and put the gravel down. Unfortunately, the gravel's at $5 a bag of 50 pounds. So I says, well, I've already done that, so I'm just going to leave it like it is, and just going to go ahead and put the white rock down. It's not big enough that you're going to trip over it, but it's big enough that it'll cover a little more than the regular gravel will for the same price. Now you probably ask me, well, why don't you have a gravel company just drop off a couple tons of gravel? Well, it winds up being going to cost me more to have it shipped to me than just going ahead and getting them bag by bag, and the fact that I can handle a 50-pound bag. I would have to get a wheelbarrow and then start shoveling it where I wanted it. So I chose to do it this way, and I'm sharing it with you so you can decide what you want to do it that way too. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put a couple bags of the white rock down. Right now that is what's down there is six bags and 4 bags. 6 bags of white and 4 bags. Oh, wait a minute. 3 bags. 9. 6 bags of white, and I got 4 bags of gravel down. So we're gonna go ahead and put some more down. I'm gonna kind of keep the white gravel. So I can see it, but really where the vehicle's gonna set. But might just go with kind of a combination of what I'm doing here. I could just go all white gravel. But because over the years this area gets really muddy, I put the gravel down. I put a layer of gravel down first, and then I put the white rock kind of on top of it. Fortunately, I don't have my little cutter. Well, I am using this is marble rock, and it is made, well, it's produced by Quikrete, which is basically a concrete company. And the gravel has been from Sekaret brand, and Quikrete is, I've known Quikrete as, you know, the fast produced concrete. Babe, can I have the keys? 1, 2, 3, 4.